Hey guys, welcome back. Here's our ingredient for our suey. Can you see our little it's just laughing at my salmon bananas look look at the little bunch. That's how much bunch bananas I get. It's 3 of them from 3 different bananas. Here's our turkey tail, guys. It's not cooked. I just put it in, fill it up with cold water and boil it, and once it comes to the boil, you turn it off and sit it in there for 10 or 20 minutes, and then clean it out, pull all the fur and everything out, and cut it up. I boil it with a bit of soy sauce, sesame seed, onion, garlic, and lemongrass. Yeah, and I dip a bit of water out and clean it all up and cut it up. Yeah, it looks cooked, but it's not cooked. Okay, I'm gonna use some little noodle, the chop suey noodle, and there's some onion, some garlic, and a pot of ginger. Yeah, as I'm gonna make a nice quick chop suey, turkey tail chop suey. And our banana here, I'm gonna peel it and put it in. Maybe I'll boil it and peel it, and maybe cook it with yogurt in the oven. Okay, that's our little ingredient for the day. Simple and easy, guys. And that's the way it is. Let's start cooking. Guys, this is the liquid will go into our chop suey. Water, soy sauce, garlic, lemongrass, and sesame seed, white one and black ones, and bay leaf. Boil it slowly, and this liquid will go into our chop suey. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna turn our stove on now and start our chop suey. Here's a turkey tail. Our turkey tail. And all I'm gonna add in there is a cup of water. I need to boil it until the turkey tail is cooked and get rid of all the water's going away. And the natural oil come out of the turkey tail so we can fry our food. Okay, let's bring it to the boil. We're back. Okay, so welcome back. All the water's going off here now. And let's fry our meat. I'm not adding any oil, it's got our own natural oil out of the turkey tail. Just give it a good stir, make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. Give it a little bit of sesame oil. Good flavor through our turkey tail. See how I use and keep the bone in there? The bone is full of flavor. Sorry about that brown bit on the bottom, it will come out. And we put our onions in there. Yeah, let's keep cooking. Guys, I'm adding our onion. See the onion, it's got acid in it. When it goes through that brown bit on the bottom, it's got to soften it up. The stove's on high. Add our garlic. There's 2 whole garlic in there, or 1.5 garlic. And keep going until our onion and garlic is fried, giving that good flavor. Okay, put our ginger. I'm getting 3 tablespoons. Ginger is really good for you. So much flavor in there, guys. I'm gonna let it cook off a little bit, and I'll add the soy sauce. Guys, I'm adding some soy sauce now, just to color our turkey tail and everything, because I already got a soy sauce in our liquid. And I'm going to turn this down low and keep cooking it. Good stir. Okay, I think it's ready. Gonna turn it off until I'm ready to put a noodle in it and heat it back up. Boil our liquid and put a noodle in and add the liquid on. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. As you see, I fry off the onion, the ginger, the garlic, and what I did is add 1 cup of water again and turn it and leave it right on very low heat. See, it's not frying it anymore, it's not, but just slowly cooking our turkey tail into that flavor of everything. Because I'm not gonna ready to eat this suey until later on this afternoon, I'm gonna just leave it like that. It's just a little low heat. And here's our, and I'll cook it like that until I'm ready to add our noodle and add our liquid. I'll just leave it like sitting there. And here's our little beautiful salmon banana. I cook it with skin, boil with skin. Once it pop open the skin, you peel it. And I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit until I add yogurt on it and put it in the oven. Either you add yogurt or mayonnaise, but I add yogurt today. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. We're nearly ready. Okay, guys, with adding a cup of water in here and leave it cook on low, our turkey tail will be cooked slowly and it'll be tender and yummy, and the bottom won't burn and stick. So it's beautiful. It smells so delicious. I'm happy with this episode. It's going to be a delicious one, like every others. Thank you. I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. Our banana's cooling down. Just going to add them in the bowl. Oh, one's run away. Looking for the banana trees to get back on it. Put some yogurt here. There's no additive yogurt. And it's just going to add on our bananas. Because if you add it what is hot, it's not going to stick to the banana. Add the whole thing. It's good yogurt. You can add yogurt or mayonnaise. And just mixing it together. You can use your finger if you want. I don't want to dirty my finger, but I will have to. And straight in the oven. The yogurt is cold. It was in the fridge. You can use mayonnaise or any yogurt, guys. Okay, a tray here. And of course I'm going to use my finger. Yeah. Just add our bananas in there. And put it straight in the oven to cook. It's already cooked. but this way it goes in the oven and make it beautiful, like me. It's always beautiful, isn't it? Okay. And I've got a bottom tray over there to catch any yogurts that drip down. That's our lunch, guys. We're having a heavy lunch and maybe something light for dinner. Maybe a kikasainga and a cup of lemon tea, lemongrass tea. Okay, guys, we'll put this in the oven. A little bit of salt. Air conditioner's blowing my salt out. Okay, and I'll go in the oven. Looking at the pumpkin, guys. There's more and more pumpkins. I showed you this before. And look, it's hanging up here on the tree. I've been eating some of them, giving some to Mom. Look, there's a snail up here. There's another pumpkin hanging in. And there's a lot of them under there. I'm not touching it. Yeah, look at the garden. And there's lots of palangi, fight palangi. Hey, it's been raining and everything's yucky out here. Lemongrass, and there's a banana I cut down. Yeah, everything's keep growing. Hopefully I'll get better fruits next year, because the weather this year was horrible. But oh well. And guys, the pawpaw tree says still no fruit on it. I don't know what's going on with it. Alright guys, let's go back to finish our cooking and eat. Look, there's more pumpkin under there. There's some more under there. Where is it? I don't know if you can see it. It's growing well and it's covered all my mints. There's more under there. I'm not getting under there. I get itchy with some of these leaves. Okay. Banana everywhere, sugar cane. And this is a medicine for gout. Looks like marijuana tree. It's time to smoke it. Okay guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I just turned the stove back on up on high. And look at that. All that juice and flavor on our suey. Okay. I'm gonna add our noodle. Add it on top, guys. And we're going to add just 2 bags of those noodles. Okay, lock up the fire. Now guys, our juice, our liquid is full of flavor and soy sauce, so we don't need to add no salt. Add it all in there. Get that lemongrass out. That bay leaf. Push it down. That juice liquid's been boiled all day, all afternoon. Okay, we're just moving it around to make sure the sauce is all come up to mix with our noodle. Just give it a little turn in around. Okay, that's it guys. We put the lid on it and turn it off. And let the noodle do its job sucking up all that noodle. Turn it off now. And let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes and cut our noodle Our banana's nearly ready. Hey guys, gotta check our subsoy. Did you see how the noodles all swelling up? Still got more to the noodle to suck in. All that yummy juice. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now when it's soft. You just run the knife through it and see. The knife is just cutting through the noodle. And it's not cutting no meat. The knife pushes the meat aside. You see? Softly, you don't have to. It smells so delicious, guys. That juice I put in there was full of flavor. Got sesame seeds, black one and white one. Yeah, and that's enough. Our noodles all cut up now, look. Okay, last thing I'm gonna add, it's spring onion. You can add spring onion or you add parsley if you want. But I don't have any parsley, so I'll use a spring onion. There you go, guys. Chop suey is ready. Then I'm gonna leave it set it for a while again before it eats. That's it, guys. Got a turkey tail, and everything. That's it. Put the lid back on it. Hey guys, here's our bananas. It's all ready. Beautiful. There you go. A banana and our sapsoi. Hi guys, this is our sapsoi. Wanna just taste some? A minute. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Excuse me. And then our banana. Oh, it's really hot. And our sapsoi. Yeah, I never put any salt in here. Enough salt on our soy sauce and yeah, everything. Delicious. Too hot, I'm making me sweat now. Some turkey tail. Hot. Eating hot food makes you really sweat. Like The Rock. Beautiful banana. Full of flavors, guys. So much flavors in there. You can pick up the bone and eat sort of flavors in there in the meat. Goes really well with this salmon banana. Yum. Chips so guys. Beautiful. What's that? Thank you for watching, guys. It's very easy. Just make suey and yum. One of my favorite food. And with those bananas growing in the backyard, It's been a very bad year for bananas. Don't get a home bunch anymore, but hey, still look beautiful, and you can use the leaves, and you can still get some food out of it. So why not? Alright, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and love to you and your family. And I hope you're all well and safe. And thank you for your support and your subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna wipe my sweat and come and eat some more. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.